Hi students, this is how you are going to create your surrealism slide. You are first going to go into your Google Drive, choose slide and make a new slide. Up in the top left, you're going to see that you're going to rename your slide right here. So rename it surrealism slide, okay? And then you're just going to make one slide. You do not need to make a slideshow, okay? So you have this one blank slide. I'm going to put a background in first. So I'm going to go up to where I have this bar where I have lots of choices, okay, to choose from. If you don't see it, look over here at this arrow because it will hide, okay, or show, okay? So sometimes you've accidentally hidden something. Okay, so I'm going to go to background. I'm going to choose image, okay, and I wanted the universe, so I just typed in, universe, okay, and I will show you that again. Okay, so background, choose image, and you can upload an image that you found off Google Images, and I just use Google Image Search because it'll be faster. So universe. So this is your whole background to your slide. I want this one, okay, and I'm going to insert, okay. So that fills in the whole background. There we go. All right, you already come with these little boxes where you can fill in type, but I'm going to delete them just because they kind of interfere with what I'm seeing. All right, so now I'm ready to put in what I want to do. So I'm going to go to insert. I can go to image search the web. Okay, I'm going to do a hand. Let me show you the difference. Okay, I can do a hand, and these come with the background. Okay, so if I type in PNG, that will give me a hand that that the background doesn't show. Okay, so let's say I choose this one. I'm going to go down and it says insert, and it will appear. There I go. Okay, I'm going to just move it over a little bit. You can make it bigger by grabbing the corners, moving them around, just kind of line it up. All right, and then I want something else to put in there, so I'm going to go to insert, image, search the web, and this time I'm going to do an elephant. Okay, and I type in PNG, so I just get just the elephant, and I'm going to insert. Looks like he's going to be kind of big. All right, so I'm going to grab the corner, okay, the diagonal, the corner, so that when I resize it, it stays in proportion, right? Because if you grab just the edges, it will squish it, right, like this, okay, or the other way. So now I have to get it back. Okay. All right. Okay, so I just moved my elephant around. There he goes. Okay. All right, and so that's how you insert images. You can also go to Google Images if I wanted to find an elephant that way. Ooh, elephant. Okay, go to images, and I want to see if I can get any like pings there or the clip art ping. Okay, and I could also find images this way that I want to put in. Okay, this time when I grab this image, what will happen is it will download. Okay, so if I grab this one, okay, I have a Mac, and so I would download this image and then I would open it up from my downloads. Okay, so that means that when I go back to my slide and I insert my image, I upload from my computer. Okay, because this is where all my downloads would be, right? Okay. Or sometimes it saves to the desktop, and here's, you would grab it from here. You can also screenshot it and put it in there as well. Sometimes that works out a little easier, or, to just screenshot something, okay? So however you get your image in there, and then resize it and create your surrealistic slide.